In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an admin user to Zoho Books. If you're working with a team, an accountant, or a business partner, giving the right people admin access inside Zoho Books can make managing your finances much easier. Instead of sharing your own login details, Zoho allows you to invite users and assign them specific roles, including full admin access. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of inviting a new user and assigning them the admin role inside Zoho Books. The process is very simple and only takes a minute once you know where the settings are located. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, how to invite the user, and how to give them admin permissions safely. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump straight into Zoho Books and get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account using your browser. Once you're inside the Zoho Books dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings area for your organization. This is where Zoho keeps all the configuration options for your account, including users, permissions, taxes, preferences, and integrations. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings panel. After clicking it, Zoho will take you to the main settings page where different configuration categories are listed. This is where we'll manage users and give admin access to someone new. Inside the settings area, look for the section called Users and Roles. This option is specifically designed for managing who has access to your Zoho Books organization and what level of permissions they have. Click on Users and Roles to open the user management page. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of any existing users who already have access to the account. If you're the only one managing the account right now, you may only see your own profile listed here as the admin user. On this page, you'll also see a button that allows you to invite additional users to the organization. Next, look for the button labeled Invite User. This is the option that allows you to add someone new to your Zoho Books account. Click the Invite User button to open the user invitation form. Zoho will display a small form where you can enter the new user's details and assign their role within the organization. This is where you define who the person is and what level of access they should have once they join your account. In the invitation form, start by entering the person's full name in the name field. It's best to enter their real name so it's easy to recognize who is accessing the account later. After that, move to the email field and enter the user's official email address. This is important because Zoho will send the invitation link directly to this email address. Make sure the email is typed correctly so the user can receive the invitation without any issues. Next, you'll see the Role drop-down menu. This is where you control what level of access the user will have inside Zoho Books. Click the drop-down and select Admin from the list of available roles. Choosing the admin role gives the user full access to the system, including managing settings, transactions, reports, and other users. Because admin users have full control, you should only assign this role to people you trust, such as business partners, senior staff members, or your accountant. Once the name, email address, and role are filled out correctly, review the details quickly to make sure everything looks right. After confirming the information, click the Send button to send the invitation. Zoho Books will immediately send an email invitation to the person you added. Inside that email will be a link that allows them to accept the invitation and join your Zoho Books organization as an admin user. After the user accepts the invitation, they'll appear in your users and roles list with the admin role assigned to them. From that point forward, they'll be able to log in and manage the account based on the permissions of that role. If needed, you can always return to the same users and roles page later to change permissions, remove access, or invite additional team members. And that's it. That's exactly how to add an admin user to Zoho Books quickly and safely. As you can see, the process only takes a minute once you know where the settings are located. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho and business software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.